If your Lexus NX is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay issues are caused by faulty cables or simple software glitches. Let's walk through the exact diagnostic steps to get your screen working again. Follow these 5 steps in order, starting with the cable and moving to a full system reboot. Double-check these 3 iPhone settings, as they often block the connection silently. If software isn't the culprit, inspect your hardware for physical damage or debris. The fix depends on your model year, as newer Lexus NX models use a wireless interface. Nearly half of all reported issues are solved simply by switching to a high-quality cable. If it still won't connect, try forcing a fresh handshake by unpairing and hard resetting your phone. You only need a few basic tools to perform these diagnostics safely at home. Keeping your vehicle's firmware up to date is the best way to prevent these errors from returning. With these steps, your Lexus NX should be back online, safe driving,